making pizza.
Really? What's that part?
And that's what's to make.
No, we don't want more flour on it. We want as little flour as possible. Okay?
Mommy.
Yes, babe. Okay, we need. Wipe this wet. Wipe it off. It's your spit. Wash it off.
That's not.
Can I deal with it this time?
Maybe Dominic sneezed.
Watch stickiness. It's like, no, it's
Oh, alright, alright.
Like,
Well, get a little cornmeal on there. We're ready to... We will do it, I promise. But we're making our dinner right now. As soon as we're done eating dinner, look at the pizza Anthony made. Isn't that cool?
it's spicy.
Mommy.
Dominic, tell your mom you sneezed again.
I sneeze, Mom.
And where'd you sneeze? Jason.
Here.
That is your pizza and only yours now. You just wasted dough, sweetie. You're trying to
smart.
make a
You
big
get the whole pizza.
You've been sneezing way too much. You're done down here.
No.
It's because of the flour, man.
No, he was sneezing earlier too.
Oh.
Sneezing at the store. He was sneezing everywhere.
Mm-mm.
Shoot, that's not what I wanted.
Joey, aren't you going to make a pizza? You're next?
Gotta wait for...
Is that your pizza, Dominic?
Yeah. Mommy. Like.
What are you going to put on it?
Olive.
Cheese and olive?
Why don't we just get out, like, the actual wood things?
Well, this is the only one we have.
Nicholas,
So we stick to it if we...
what kind of pizza are you going to make?
Look, it's so big.
It is. You going to have enough cheese for that?
Yeah.
Let me try. Just a minute, sweetie.
Mommy.
Hot.
All that cornmeal.
I'll rearrange it.
Mom,
We gotta
this is a
shake it back
magnet.
onto this one too. Here, get some cornmeal on there.
From where?
Mom, this is a magnet.
This is all long.